Today, I'm showing you 3 different ways to decorate these wood slice ornaments, plus a bonus project using a new technique that I love. Stick around, that's all coming up. You are watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple crafts and full tutorials every week. If you like to craft, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Here are 3 wood slice ornaments you can make. Ornament number 1. Start by painting a wood slice with a soft gray paint. Then grab a few small wood beads and paint a few of them red. I'm using a bright, shiny metallic red. While these items are drying, use Cricut Design Space to create a graphic. Use a circle the same size as the wood slice to help size the text. I'm typing my daughter's name and the year for this ornament. Once everything is sized correctly, hide the circle and cut the words out of black vinyl. Weed the vinyl and use transfer tape to add this to the wood slice. Just make sure the paint is fully dry before you do this step. Next, tie a piece of twine into a loop and thread it through the hole of the wood slice. String a few of the beads onto the twine. I'm only using 3 here, but you could use more to make a longer strand and different colors if you'd like. Ornament number 2. Print a photo onto plain white paper and cut the part you want to showcase into a 2-inch circle. The Big Shot works great for this, or a handheld large punch. You can also trace a circle and just cut it out with a scissor. You can find links to all the products I'm using here down in the description. On the wood slice, add a light coat of Mod Podge to the wood and the back of the photo circle. Press them together and smooth out any bubbles. Then add a top coat of Mod Podge to seal the photo. This will dry clear and leave a protective coating. Add a small piece of twine to hang this ornament and you are all done. It's a great way to preserve a memory. These ornaments make great gifts for grandparents too. Ornament number 3. Start in Cricut Design Space and type a name. Pick a bold font and add an offset. Then add a second offset so you create 3 layers. Each of these will be cut from a different color. When you have your words sized appropriately, hide the circle and make all 3 layers the same color. Then click Make It and rearrange the layers on the canvas so they're all separate. Mirror the words and choose to cut this from iron-on. Over at your machine on the cutting mat, add 3 colors of iron-on vinyl to match the canvas on your screen. This just makes your cutting process a whole lot quicker by doing it on one mat. Be sure to place the iron-on shiny side down. Weed each layer and use an Easy Press Mini to add them one by one to a bare wood slice. Then add some Mod Podge to the bottom half and apply a liberal amount of glitter. Add a piece of twine and you are ready to hang up this bright and bold ornament. And now for the bonus ornament. You can find more videos like this in the YouTube Shorts section. Start by painting the wood slice gold. When it's dry, add a paw print stamp. Below the stamp, write the name of your favorite fur baby. Then use glass rhinestones to embellish the stamp. This is a new craft technique for me. I love it, and I'm finding all kinds of ways to use it on everything. We made 4 wood slice ornaments today. Let me know down in the comments which one you want to try. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here with new craft videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.